Today, we're going to have a different kind of unboxing, but it's going to be an unboxing of one of my favorite things. So if you want to see what's in these boxes, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I love fashion. I love clothes and subscription boxes with clothes and shopping, and yeah, I like all that kind of stuff. If you like that kind of thing, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out for the long haul and have all kinds of fashion fun. And hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified and not miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. If you like this video, I hope you'll give me that like. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Let's see, what else? All right, so what I'm doing today is a different kind of unboxing. These are shoes, 2 pairs of shoes from the company Fitville. And they approached me and asked if they could send me some shoes to review and share with my viewers. And I said, of course. So let me tell you what they say about their shoes. Our products are mainly oriented for people to reduce pain, improve comfort, and promote overall health when they're walking or exercising. Now, they did give me a discount code for you. If you want to order something from Fitville, you will get an astonishing 18% off. That's pretty darn good. You will use the code TRAN18. And I'll go ahead and post that below in the description box and also in the first pinned comment. A lot of their stuff is athletic oriented, and that's the bigger box. But they also have some super cute fashion shoes, flats. So we are going to unbox them and then I'm going to try them on for you. And then this is going to be kind of a 2-part video because I'm going to come back after I have walked around in them, especially the athletic shoes. So I can, tell you my honest opinion on how they felt. All right, so that's what it looks like inside. They package them up very nicely. These are the flats. And then, so they have them in individual little, what would you call that, bags. Now I know what these look like because I chose them, but how cute are those? I love a cute flat. I love me some heels, but because I don't always wear heels, I love me some cute flats, and these are cute with that animal print and the bow. I just love the bow. So just super flat heel, and they're made out of that material, that cloth material. You know what I like to wear these shoes for? When I'm walking around the house and I don't want to wear slippers. I want to break from my slippers. A lot of times I will wear these cloth shoes, but these are so stinking cute. I might have to take these out shopping with me one of these days. And let's take out the paper. They're really padded. I can't wait to try these on. All right, and the other one, of course, is going to look just the same. There we go. All right, so we will try those on. And this are the athletic shoes. And again, it's like that. And they are in those little individual bags. Now I chose a shoe that had a higher ankle because I'm gonna wear these for hiking. Now, if you know me, you're probably laughing hysterically because I'm not much of a hiker, but I live in Colorado and I just decided that I should try some hiking. So when they said they wanted me to pick a pair of athletic shoes and I saw these, I thought these would be perfect. So let's go try some shoes on. All right, so we're gonna do the flats first. This is from the front, and I really like a pointy toe flat. I do not like a square-toed shoe, so I really like that. I think the bow is just so cute. And then they're really cushy. They have a lot of good padding and support. And that's from the side and from the other side. And I don't know if you can see it, but I didn't notice that there's like a little bit of blue fabric at the top of the heel, which is really cute. I like how that heel comes up and just kind of the line that it, you know, gives it the way it's designed. I think these are so cute. I cannot wait to wear them. And I would love to wear them around the house. It would just make me feel a little bit more dressed up. All right, give me a second and I will try on those hiking shoes. So these are the hiking shoes, and I can tell you my ankles are so well supported. These are going to be perfect for hiking. I walked around the house a little bit. They are really comfortable. They are supportive. That's from the side. That's what it looks like from the back. It's like nice coloring, not crazy colors. So yeah, I think these are going to be great for hiking. You can see that there's, you know, good support around the heel. And like I said, the ankle is just really well supported. All right, let's go over pricing. So the flats were $44. They don't have a huge selection of flats, but I really like the ones that I got. And then the ones that I call the hiking shoes, those are the Fitville Women's Hight-top Rebound core shoes. And those are $118.95. Again, if you use that code TRAN18, you will get an 18% discount on your purchase. They have things for both men and women, and they actually have clothing as well. So they have sweatshirts, sweatpants, hoodies. You can shop for shoes by, if you have certain foot conditions, they will guide you to the appropriate type of shoe. The different types of women's shoes are wide shoes, walking shoes, running shoes, tennis and pickleball shoes, work shoes, slip-on shoes, slides and sandals, casual sneakers, hiking shoes and boots, Mary Janes, and flats. And there's probably some crossover, but those are the different types of shoes. So those are the Fitville shoes that, and I'd like to thank them for sending me those shoes to review for you, and also for giving that generous discount code. I'm going to walk around in them, take a little hike, and then I'll report back. But in the meantime, I just want to thank you for spending time watching my video. Again, I know you have lots of YouTubers that you can watch, and I always appreciate it when you choose to watch my videos. If you like this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. That really helps other people find the video. And if you get some Fitville shoes, please let me know what you think of them. All right, I will be right back with my review on how the hiking shoes felt to actually hike. Okay, just wrapping up this Fitville shoes review. So I took my, what are these guys called again? The Fitville Hight-top Rebound core. I took them for a little hike, and about half an hour, super comfortable. My ankle was so well supported. It just, you know, when I was walking over rocks and stuff, they did not wobble at all. The toe bed is nice and wide, so, you know, my foot just felt very comfortable the whole time, and really good support. So I am going to give the Fitville shoes a thumbs up. I hope you'll check them out, and don't forget to use that code TRAN18 to get your 18% discount. Until next time, fashion friends, dress like you mean it.